gorgeous, and welcome to today's video. As you can see by the title, today I'm creating this beautiful colorful look using Juvia's Place New Culture palette. I'm going to show you step by step on how to create a colorful look like this. I'm going to be up close and personal, give you a lot of tips and tricks on how to blend and create an eyeshadow look like this. And today's video is in partnership with Juvia's Place, and I'm creating this look using the Culture palette from them. I am so happy to be working with them because first of all, I love Juvia's Place. I've been wearing their makeup products for a long time now. Second of all, they are a black-owned makeup brand. They put a lot of their African culture into the makeup products like they did on this palette. And when you think of African culture, you think of bold colors, beautiful bold colors, and they really put that into this palette, so I love that. So if you want to see how I create this look up close and personal and giving you guys a lot of tips on how to blend, like tips and tricks on how to create colorful eyeshadow looks like these step by step, make sure you keep on watching. So we are up close and personal, you guys. I did my brows off camera. I put some eye base, make it ready for the eyeshadow. I know I look crazy, it looks crazy, but this is the base. You gotta get your base done because when I work with colors or pigments, I like to have a eye primer or an eye base before I actually put on the eyeshadow. It's like a canvas for your eyes before you actually start painting on it, and yeah, it makes everything blend much nicer and it makes the true colors of the palette show way more, so I always like to do that. Now it's time to show you guys this baby right here. This is the Culture palette. I mean, beautiful. By just the package you can see it's colorful, it's vibrant. Oh my god, so many beautiful colors. I can see a few favorite colors already. I mean, I love this one, I love this one, this one, this one, and the shimmers. Oh my god, I cannot wait to play with it. They also came out with some liquid eyeshadows, and they have these 4 different shades. This one is a very beautiful goldish greenish kind of shade. They have a more pinkish one, a more copper one, and then they have this white metallic one that looks beautiful. I think I'm gonna try to incorporate some of these into the look today. I'm gonna swatch them as well so you guys can see. So I'm gonna start swatching them on my arm, and this one that I'm gonna swatch first is the shade Kobo. I think that's how you say it. Oh, that swatch really great. The next one I'm gonna be swatching is Shekere, which is this beautiful blue. Next we have this purple one here. Oh, that was pretty as well. Then I'm gonna swatch Taraba. Then I'm gonna swatch Jigawa. Now I'm gonna go into Katanga, which is a shimmer. Whoa, that's beautiful. And then the last one I'm gonna take is Ashanti. I'm just gonna swatch it on top here. Whoa. I went and swatched the liquid eyeshadows as well, and they are super pigmented. I mean, look at these swatches. It's just so beautiful to see. This orange right here is to die for. Look how beautiful that swatch with just one swipe. So I'm really excited to see how these are going to look on my eyes. When I first saw this palette and Juvia told me about it and the concept about culture and bringing a bit of who you are into a makeup look, when I saw these colors right here, my thought went immediately to the beautiful streets that we have in Portugal, the beautiful colorful streets. I'm gonna just put some pictures here. If you guys don't know, I'm Portuguese, I'm from Portugal, and I'm gonna just put pictures here. Beautiful streets that we have in Portugal, so colorful, and it just inspired me to create a super colorful look using this palette, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So let's start this eye look, you guys. I'm so excited. As you guys can see, I'm starting with a pink eyeshadow, and this one that I have here is Kobo. This beautiful vibrant pink, and I'm just gonna put it all over my crease. Look how pigmented this baby is, and look how there's no fallout. It's insane. Now we are going to see how this is going to blend. I'm going to blend it out with this beautiful shade, like an orangey kind of shade named Delta. I'm using circular motions, carefully. And then with a more fluffier, bigger brush, I'm gonna blend it out even more. And I'm gonna go into the same pink and just like make it more vibrant again, because with all the blending you take a bit of that pigment away. Loving how they are blending, like there are no lines. Can you see, like from the pink to that like orangey kind of shade, it's just blended so well. I'm obsessed. It's just so vibrant. It's just so beautiful, the colors. Now I'm gonna cut the crease and I'm gonna do some purples and some blues. I just have like some product on the back of my hand, a flat brush, and let's do this. Let's cut the crease. I need to stop talking while I'm doing this, otherwise I'm just gonna like mess everything up. First I put product on my lid like this and I look up, and that is going to tell me where I can like create my crease. I'll just follow that line. Ooh, I'm so excited. You can choose like to wipe off the product that you have on here. I'm just gonna do that. I'm just gonna put it on top and see how that goes. It always like performs better if you wipe off, so it's like the less product the better. And I always like to go high with my creases because I have hooded eyes, and doing these super large and high creases just gives that illusion that my eyelids have a lot more space than what they actually do. So I always like to create that illusion with cutting the crease like this, but you just like do whatever fits your eyes the best. Yeah, I just need to be very quiet when I do this because I do shake a lot. I'm very clumsy, so when I do this kind of thing I need to like be really quiet and really concentrated, otherwise it comes out as BS. Then I just go with my finger, smudge that out. Okay, so I'm kind of happy with the shape. If I look straight like this, you still be able to see the color. That's the problem with like hooded eyes. You put like eyeshadow on your eyes, you open your eyes and there's no eyeshadow there because your eyes swallow it. So you have to create like this line above your lid space, like your crease, so it shows when your eyes are open. So what I'm gonna do now is just do the same on the other eye and hope that the line will match. I'm not good at matching things, so one is always bigger or more round or more straight, but I'm gonna do my best. I mean, they are not exactly the same, but they are not that different either, and that's why I like to do both creases at the same time and not just do one eye and then do the other, because if you mess up right now, if I mess up this eye, I can go back to this one and fix it. And if you feel like you need to fix the line, you can find like a super tiny flat brush like this and apply the color that you have on your crease and just go and fix the line a bit, and it will really help. You can do that to make like the line a bit sharper in color as well. What I'm gonna do right now, and what I like to do, is use my finger because it will crease like the product that you put here, and I don't like to go with more product. I like to use my finger and just like blend it out, because if you go with more product it will just make the color that you put on top patchy. So I'll use my finger to kind of melt the product into the skin before I go with the next color, and I like to start on this other portion with my color and build my way in. So I'm gonna go with this beautiful purple here named Eyeshadow, and then I'm gonna go with blues. Just takes time, so just like be patient and blend. I'm gonna go back and perfect everything at the end, but yeah, I'm just putting this beautiful purple here, and now I'm gonna go with the blue. I'm gonna go with this beautiful blue named Shekere. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, I don't know how to say it, but I hope I'm right. I just tap off the excess and I'm gonna start blending it with the purple. Oh, she's pigmented. I just want to tell you guys one thing. I have not once cleansed my under eye and there is no fallout. Absolutely nothing. And I'm playing with blues and purples, pinks. Now I'm gonna go into Afro Beats, which is this beautiful like mint green kind of color. Oh, that's beautiful. And then again back with the purple. And because I want to try the shimmers, I think I'm gonna put this Bono shimmer on top of the blue. I don't know if that is going to work. I don't know what I'm doing, but let's try. Oh, that's actually pretty. Maybe a bit of Wolof and Katanga together on the purple. Oh, that's pretty. I like the shimmer. And now I want to go with a bit of this like duochrome liquid eyeshadow here. This is in the shade Fula, F-U-L-A. I don't know if I'm saying that right. How gorgeous is this shade? Let me like swatch it again. Speechless. I am going to carefully apply a bit of that right in like my inner corner. Yeah, like that, just like that, to give it a little something. I'm gonna go off camera, put some lashes, finish my base, and then come back and do my under eye on camera with you guys. I think I'm gonna do some like oranges in there, some yellows. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna just like finish my base first off camera and then be right back. Okay, I'm back and my base is on, the lashes are on, and the look is starting to look really nice. And it's time to finish my under eye area. And I think I'm gonna go with the oranges that I have here. The one that I swatched, Jigawa, was so beautiful, so I think I'm gonna go with that. I'm gonna start maybe with a bit of pink and then blend it out with that orange. So I'm just gonna go with Kobo first, and then I'm gonna go into Jigawa. I'm gonna use that shade to like blend it out. And then I'm gonna go with that green Taraba on my waterline actually. I just popped some gloss on and oh my god, I'm obsessed with this look. It's so beautiful. The eye look, it's everything. I went with like a clear gloss because I wanted the eyes to be like the center of attention here, and they clearly are. I want to come real close so you guys can see how beautiful like the eyeshadow is. I mean, look how it blended so well, like the vibrancy, like everything about it is just like perfection. And I'm speechless. I love it. And I really love how those streets, those images like inspired me so much to create this look, and I did it. Like I brought that into life with this look, and I'm really proud of myself because I haven't done like a colorful look like this in a while. So it was really nice to sit down and be creative and just like let it flow, and that's what I did, and I'm really obsessed. It's beautiful. It's just stunning. If you guys are into colorful palettes like these, go grab this baby right here. I'm sure you're gonna love it. If you like playing with color, this palette is for you. I'm gonna leave the link to it down in the description box. Make sure you go and check out Juvias Place. They are an amazing makeup brand. In case you don't know, Juvias is a black owned brand, so a lot of their products and this palette as well are inspired by African culture. And if you think of African culture, of course you think a lot of like vibrant colors, and they just put that into this beautiful palette. It's just stunning. It's everything. So yeah, I'm really happy to be working with them. I love the brand, and I love the products that they have. They have an amazing foundation that I die for, a lot of beautiful palettes, concealers. They have so many makeup products. I do have a video where I did a full face of Juvias Place. I'm gonna leave that on screen so you guys can go and check that out. Thank you again, Juvias Place, for working with me on this video. I am obsessed with this palette, so I'm really happy to be part of this campaign and create this look for you guys. It's just beautiful. I hope you guys got a lot of inspo from today's look, and I hope you did learn something when it comes to eyeshadow and blending. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did so, give the video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube fam, and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new uploads. I'm coming with makeup tutorials, fashion hauls, and a lot of like beauty, fashion related content, so make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the new uploads. I also post a lot on my Instagram, you guys. In case you you don't follow me there, I'm gonna leave it here. I'm gonna leave the links down below in the description box so you can go and follow me there as well. I do also have TikTok, so make sure you show me some love. That will help me a lot. I'm gonna leave some other videos here in case you're bored and want to watch more from me. I'm gonna leave some videos here on screen. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next one.